Hi guys, Alfie here. Let's start with buffle up our nail surface. Today we're gonna do some deep powder coat rolls. Now we use a wrap and apply a layer of base coat. Put some deep powder onto your nail. Make sure each corner is covered. Tap your finger a bit, get off the extra powder. Use dust brush to clean up. Apply another layer of base coat. Make a second layer of the deep powder. Put deep powder on your nails again. Tap your fingers to get off the extra dust. Use dust brush to clean up the surface again. Now we apply the top coat. And it's done. Voila. Thanks for watching.